Instagram automatically generates the alt text for each post using object recognition technology. However, this text description frequently lack accuracy and context. Also, they do not say why the image is related to your brand or product or how it got there. For this reason, every Instagram post should always have a custom description instead of the default alt text. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add alt text on Instagram post. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom bar. Select the picture you want. Tap on arrow at the top right corner of your screen. Again tap on the arrow at the top right of your screen. Now scroll downwards and tap on Advanced Setting. Tap Write Alt Text under the Accessibility section on the next page. Now tap on Write Alt Text. After writing the alt text, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the tick button at the top right corner of your screen. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to add alt text on Instagram post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.